Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a short video to show you how to make boiled rice water. The most important ingredient you'll be needing for this rice water is rice. Okay, after that you need a funnel, you need a sifter or drainer, and you need an empty bottle with a nozzle. And finally, you need a container to pour the rice water once it is ready. So you go ahead and pour your rice into a pot. Next up, you wash the rice thoroughly. You want to do this to remove all the dirt before you start to cook. And once you're happy and the rice is clean enough, just add 3 times the amount of water of rice that you have and place it on the cooker to boil. The trick here is you want to make sure that the rice cooks but not completely, and you also want to make sure that it's bubbling. Once you're happy with that, the next thing to do is to remove the pot from the stove, drain out the water into a container using the sifter, drain out the water and wait for it to cool down. And whilst you're waiting for the water to cool down, just go ahead and have a nice bowl of rice. After about 30 minutes, check the rice water to make sure it's cool. Once you're happy with the temperature, I just take a funnel. Again, I put the drainer there to just catch any bits left from the rice water, and I pour it directly into my bottle of choice. As you can see, there's some residue left, which is why it's important to use the drainer to remove any leftover rice from the rice water. And I just wait for the rice to funnel through into the bottle. Once I'm happy with the amount of rice water in my bottle, I remove the funnel. Next up, as we all know, rice water has an odor. The odor isn't particularly pleasant. So my way to combat this is I add essential oils. I've chosen peppermint because obviously it's got a very minty scent to it. And when you apply it to your scalp and your hair, you'll also feel the mint tingle, which is very, very good. Once I've added the essential oil, I go on and shake and mix the rice water and the oil together, and the rice water is ready to use. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you find making your homemade rice water extremely easy to make. If you have any questions or comment, don't forget to leave them down below. Don't forget to share, like, and please give me a thumbs up for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.